Sebastian, I want to say how much I appreciate the way you have helped me ever since Friday. When I came, my arm had been cracking and popping for almost a year, and it was in pain, slight pain all the time, and it had gotten much worse. And I had gotten to where I have scoliosis. I had gotten to where I couldn't stand with my shoulder back and my arms at my side. When I kind of forced my shoulder back, my arm would go out like this. But now I can stand with my shoulder back and my arms down at my side. I think that the pain in my arm must have been related to what was happening in my back, because it's been worsening over the last year. And it feels much more relaxed, and I don't have the cracking and popping that I had. Now I need to work on my knee, which you've also helped me with. I can now sit down and lift my knee up. It's hard to do, but I can do it. I couldn't lift it like this for almost 10 years. And I can put my leg here and cut my toenails.